guys, today we're going to be showing you a quick and easy braided hairstyle, and I'm going to start out by sectioning off a small piece here in the front on each side of that center part. Now that I have those pieces sectioned out on each side, I'm just going to make a braid with each one. And you'll notice that I didn't bring this section all the way down to her ear. I did leave some hair underneath it. It's just the very top piece that I'm going to braid. I did add some water to this section just so that we don't have flyaways, and then I'm just going to go ahead and braid that. I'm going to do the same thing with this other side where we sectioned off this other piece, and you'll just want to make sure that you get these about the same thickness. After you get these two side braids done, the next step is to make a half ponytail. So I'm just going to gather this hair and bring it into the center, and I'm going to leave these two braids out of that. Okay, now with this hair in the half ponytail, we're just going to make another braid. The last step is to grab these two braids from the top, and I'm just going to combine them with this braid here in the center. You can do it up a little higher or down a little lower, just wherever you think it looks good. But I'm just going to add another clear elastic.
I love this hairstyle because it's super easy. See you next week!